Hi students, solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method. This method has been reduced from your syllabus, so no need to solve these examples. This total part is reduced from your syllabus. Now we will see the next method, that is formula for solving a quadratic equation. Nobody will ask you how that formula it had been come or the proof of this formula. Just you have to keep in mind the formula. You know the standard form of quadratic equation, that is x square plus bx plus c. And the formula of this method is x is equal to negative b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to negative b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In short, you can write this formula as negative b plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and these values are denoted by alpha and beta. Okay, means here alpha and beta are the roots of that given quadratic equation. So here they given the value of quadratic this formula they given here. Look here, alpha's value is alpha is equal to negative b plus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta's value just here signs different is. In alpha their plus sign is and in beta their minus sign is. Beta is equal to negative b minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now the values of a, b, c from equation, where we have to take the values of a, b, c from the given quadratic equation, and we will substitute these values in the formula and we will find the roots of that particular quadratic equation. Okay, so here they given few examples. We will solve the examples by using the formula method. Okay, two types are there to solve these examples. First you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, and then after that you can write these values in the formula and you can find it. Now I will take the example from your book only. We will solve an example here of formula method in your book using the okay. So first of all I will make here place to solve the example. We will solve the example by using formula method. Okay, so I will write here the example. So okay, here's few place. I will make first here place to solve the example. Now I will write the example here. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, first of all we have to compare the equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From this you will get the values of a, b and c. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5 by comparing both the equations. Now first of all we will find the value of b square minus 4 AC. So B square minus 4AC is equal to B is here 6. So 6 square minus 4, A is 1 and C is 5. 6 square is 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 fives are 20. So here how much remain? Here 16. So the value of B square minus 4AC, it is equal to 16. Do you understand this? Now we will write the formula. Place is not there, so again I will make here place to solve the next steps, to solve the example and for writing the remaining steps. So first of all I will write the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now look here, you know the values. Value of b is 6 plus or minus, already we have found the value of b square minus 4ac, it was 16. So I will write this value and a's value is 1, so 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, now here x is equal to negative 6 plus or minus 16 is the perfect square, so I will take it out from this square root sign, then it will come 4 because square root of 16 is 4. Now here x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. So x is equal to negative 6 plus 4 means negative 2 upon 2 means x value it will come negative 1, or here x is equal to negative 4 negative 6 means negative upon 2 means it is exactly equal to negative 5. So here negative 1 and negative 5, these are the solution of the given quadratic equation. One more example we will see. Okay, so by using the formula you have to write the values of x, or you have to find the solution of the given quadratic equation. One more example we will see here. Okay, I will write here the example from your book only. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here values of a is 1, directly I will write, b is 13 and c's value is 8. So here b square minus 4ac is equal to 13 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8. Okay, so what is the square of 13? 169 minus 4 ones are 4. Sorry, here the value of a is 5. So here b's value 13 and c 8. b square minus 4ac, so 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. Now 4 5s are 20, 28s are 160, so value is equal to 9. Means your b square minus 4ac, it is equal to 9. Now I will write the formula. So I will rub this example. Just I will keep the ABC's value because sometimes I can forget this, and if the values will be wrong, then our example it will come wrong. So now I will write the formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now I will put the values. Negative 13 plus or minus the value of b square minus 4ac, it was 9, 2a, so 2 multiplied by value of a is 5. Now x is equal to negative 13 plus or minus, what is the square root of 9? It is 3 upon these 5 2s are 10. Now x is equal to negative 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to negative 13 minus 3 upon 10. So here x is equal to, look, negative 13 plus 3 means negative 10 upon 10. So here value of x is negative 1, or x is equal to negative 13 negative 3 means value is negative 16 upon 10. If we will bring this in a reduced form, negative 16 upon 10, then the value it will become negative 8 upon 5. Then these are the solution of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so by using this formula method, you have to solve practice set 2.4 in your notebook. Okay, solve all the examples in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.